The priceless treasure is me. It is my word, my ways, my wisdom. A person can live an okay life and even have significant blessings without fully engaging in the life I have called them to. A person can have health, wealth, and renown without seeking my kingdom. So why do it? Why give the sacrifice of time and effort? Why waste another moment seeking? First, the time spent seeking is far from wasted. In fact, that's the time that counts for eternity. Those who seek the harder and deeper tasks find the more precious treasures. What an absolute privilege it is to be called into one of the offices of my church. To be a pastor is no small blessing. Many lose it by their lack of one thing. They forgot the first fruits. They forgot to seek the treasure. They forgot it was about me first. Not them, not money, not fame, not a pulpit. Me. It's about seeking me.